Emollient combination No.120 topical cream is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations such as diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. Emollients are substances that soften and moisturize the skin and decrease itching and flaking. Some products like zinc oxide and white petrolatum are used to protect the skin against irritation from wetness. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin. Emollients/moisturizers work by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. This cream contains common emollients such as petrolatum, lanolin, mineral oil, and dimethicone, as well as humectants like glycerin, lecithin, and propylene glycol, which draw water into the outer layer of skin. It also has ingredients that soften the top layer of skin cells and help the dead skin cells fall off, leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. The cream can be used daily to keep the skin moisturized, and it is best to apply it after bathing or showering when the skin is still damp for optimal results. Make sure to use this product as directed. Some products may need to be primed before use, so be sure to follow the instructions on the product package. If you have any questions, it's always a good idea to ask your doctor or pharmacist. In some cases, you may need to shake the bottle well before using the product. Check the label to see if this applies to your medication. Apply the cream to the affected areas of your skin as needed, or as directed by the label or your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your specific skin condition. For example, if you're using it to treat dry hands, you may need to apply it every time you wash your hands, throughout the day. If you're using this product for diaper rash, make sure to clean the diaper area well before applying the cream. And if you're using it to treat radiation skin burns, check with your radiation personnel to see if it can be applied before therapy. Be sure to only apply the medication to the skin and avoid sensitive areas like your eyes, mouth, nose, and vaginal/groin area unless directed otherwise. Also, check the label for any specific areas or types of skin where you should not apply the product, such as on the face or on broken, chapped, or irritated skin. It's important to use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. Apply it to damp skin, especially after bathing or showering, as most moisturizers need water to work effectively. If your skin is very dry, your doctor may recommend soaking the area before applying the product. And keep in mind that long, hot, or frequent bathing can make dry skin worse. If your condition doesn't improve or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, it's important to seek medical help right away. When using Emollient combination No.120 topical cream, you may experience some mild side effects such as burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. However, these effects usually go away on their own. If they persist or worsen, it's important to tell your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it means that they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, if you notice any unusual changes in your skin or signs of a skin infection, it's important to contact your doctor immediately. Although it's rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Seek medical help right away if you develop symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. If you are in Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using this product, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. If you have any skin cuts, infections, or sores, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Some ingredients in this product, such as preservatives and fragrances, may make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Be sure to check the label for any warnings and ask your doctor or pharmacist if you need to take any special precautions when going outdoors. Your doctor or pharmacist may recommend limiting your time in the sun, avoiding tanning booths and sun lamps, and using sunscreen and protective clothing. If you experience sunburn or skin blisters/redness, be sure to inform your doctor right away. It's important to note that some products may worsen acne, so if you are prone to acne breakouts, look for the term non-comedogenic on the label. Additionally, some products may stain or discolor clothing, so be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Before undergoing any surgery, it's crucial to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consult with your doctor before using this product, especially if you are applying it to the breast area. When using Emollient Combination No. 120 Topical Cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could affect how your medications work and may increase your risk for serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Emollient Combination No. 120 Topical Cream. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. To help prevent dry skin, you can use lukewarm water for bathing, take baths/showers less often, such as every 1 to 2 days, keep baths/showers short, and use a humidifier when the air is very dry. Emollient Combination No. 120 Topical Cream is a type of emollient product that can help with dry skin. It comes in the form of a cream and is fragrance-free, making it suitable for people with sensitive skin. You can consult with your doctor or pharmacist to determine if this product is the best option for you. For best results, apply the Emollient Combination No. 120 Topical Cream to the affected areas of the skin as directed by your healthcare provider. It is recommended to use it regularly to maintain its benefits. Remember to follow the dosage instructions and apply it at the optimal time as advised by your healthcare provider. If you are using this cream regularly and happen to miss a dose, make sure to apply it as soon as you remember. However, do not use extra cream or apply it more frequently than directed to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to check the storage information on the package, and if you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Avoid storing the foam canister near high heat or open flames, as it is under pressure. Do not puncture or burn the canister. When it comes to discarding the product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed. Properly dispose of the product when it is expired or no longer needed, and you can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.